In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain your global API key on Cloudflare. This process is straightforward and should take us roughly about 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Cloudflare website. If you haven't already, open your browser and type in the URL to access Cloudflare's main page. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account to proceed. This step is crucial because your global API key is tied to your specific Cloudflare account and you'll need to be logged in to access it. Next up, you'll notice an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient way to log in, especially if you have your Google account linked with Cloudflare. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. If prompted, select your Google account from the list, or sign into your account using your credentials if it's not already displayed. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you'll find your profile photo. This is where you'll need to click to access further settings. Navigating through your profile options, look for the My Profile section. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a page that details your account information. Within your profile page, locate the section labeled API Tokens. This is the gateway to accessing and managing your API keys. Once you find the API Tokens section, click on it. You're on the right track if you see options related to API management. Now, find the Global API Key tab or section. This key is essential for accessing Cloudflare's API and managing your account services programmatically. Once you've identified the Global API Key section, you'll see an option to view it. Click on this, but be prepared for a couple of security checks. At this point, Cloudflare will ask you to verify your identity to ensure your account's safety. You'll need to enter your password and complete a CAPTCHA. This step is a standard security measure to make sure only authorized users can view or change sensitive API keys. After completing these, you'll have access to your global API key. Finally, once you've successfully verified your identity, you can click View once again to reveal your global API key. Be sure to copy this key to a secure location as it is crucial for various integrations and should be kept confidential. Remember, your global API key is sensitive information. Treat it with the level of security you would your password, and there you have it. You've successfully obtained your global API key from Cloudflare. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your online security with Cloudflare.